Now in today's video, I'm going to show you ways that you can use to chat directly to YouTube support in case you're getting low views, low engagement in your YouTube channel. Yeah, most of the creators have been uploading videos. They upload videos in YouTube, but they end up getting no views. They end up getting low subscribers, and this is because they have certain problem in their YouTube channel. So stick around because I'm going to show you, I'm going to guide you using a YouTube Studio, ways that you can use to chat with YouTube in a proper way so that YouTube can give you a solution to your channel and your channel can grow and go to the next level. What's up, what's up? My name is YT Benjamin. If you're watching this video for the first time, remember to subscribe, like, and share this video to more other YouTubers. The first thing that you do, you log into your YouTube Studio. Then after logging in, you click on the question mark sign. So after clicking on the question mark sign, you scroll down to contact us. You can see contact us. So after that, you wait for it to load. Then as you can see, we have step 1. So step 1 here, in need with my YouTube Studio. So we'll choose the type of need that you want. So for YouTube to help you with. So I'm gonna choose on one-time purchases. Then I will just type there channel inquiry. Yeah, I'm gonna type channel inquiry. Then after that, I click on next. Yeah, so after clicking on next, we have choose the best description of the issue. So I'm going to choose that one that is written other. So as you can see, I'm gonna click on other. Then after clicking on other, I click on next step. So after clicking on next step, I scroll down. Then after scrolling down, you see I'm in the step 2. I'm still in step 2. Then I click on next step again to continue. So after that, I'm gonna click on chat. Let chat on that chat. Less that in 1 minute, less than in 1 minute. So I'm gonna just click on that chat. Don't click on email, click on chat. So after clicking on the chat, as you can see, there is what I clicked earlier. That was the super chats and the super stickers. So I'm gonna click on that one. Then after clicking on that one, there is a prompt that I have here. So I'm gonna go to ChatGPT. That is a help prompt. So I'm gonna go there, and after going there, I'm gonna copy it. Then after copying it, I come back to my YouTube Studio. Then I paste that prompt there. Yeah, so after that, that is the prompt that is I'm requesting for YouTube to help me analyze my channel because I'm getting low views, I'm getting low engagement. Yeah, so then I start chat. Yeah, so after that, I will just wait for a minute. Then the chat is open. As you can see, I can now chat with any member of YouTube, any support team in YouTube, so that YouTube can help me analyze my point. So as you can see, we have welcome, your case is that. So that is my case number. So as you can see, I can type and chat with YouTube and chat with any that person that you'll be chatting with. So I can tell you any problem that I have when it comes to YouTube. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm just telling him thanks so much. Yeah, I'm just chatting with the guy. So I'm just waiting for him to respond to my answer. And as you can see, he is called Jason. So it's Jason is typing. So I'm gonna just wait for him. So he has texted me hi there. Yeah. So I think that is how to do it. Yeah, most of the creators have been thinking that to chat with YouTube is a very tricky game. But in this video, as you can see, I've managed to chat with YouTube and to tell YouTube how YouTube can analyze my channel and how YouTube can help me get more views and more subscribers. Because most of the creators have been thinking that you cannot chat with YouTube, that YouTube is an AI, that YouTube is not, is just the algorithm. There is nobody you can chat with YouTube. So as you can see this video, I've managed to chat and open chat with the YouTube member. And as you can see, the guy is responding and we've been chatting with him for so long. Now, somebody may think that chatting with YouTube is easy or is hard. Now, let me break it down to you. To chat with YouTube, you have to set your language to be English. If you set your language to be English, YouTube, you'll be able to chat with YouTube directly and chat with any member of YouTube directly and tell him what is your problem, and he can help you solve the problem in any way, whether you're getting low views, whether you're getting low subscribers, or you just don't know what is the problem, what is hindering your YouTube channel from growing and monetizing. Thank you very much for watching this video. If this is your first time in this channel, remember to subscribe, like, and share this video to more other YouTubers. Yeah, there is a video up there that is talking about free sites that you can use to download free videos with no copyrights and upload them directly to your YouTube channel. Yeah, remember to check out that video and let's learn in YouTube and grow together. Bye bye.